Assalamualaikum students. Today I'm going to start unit number 2, rules for staying healthy and safe, on page number 23. Here are some difficult words and you have to learn these spellings. Healthy, H-E-L-T-H, health, Y, healthy. Germs, G-E-R-M-S, germs. Itching, I-T-C-H, H-I-N-G, itching. Dirt, D-I-R-T, dirt. Smoke, S-M-O-K-E, smoke. Pollution, P-O-L-L-U-T-I-O-N, pollution. Decay, D-E-C-A-Y, decay. Harmful, H-A-R-M-F-U-L, harmful. Last word is carelessness, C-A-R-E, care, L-E-S-S, less, N-E-S-S, carelessness. Let's start our reading. Rules. You know that you should. Students, here are some following rules for staying healthy and safe life. Number 1. Have a bath or shower every day. Every day means daily. The first rule is that we have to take a bath or shower daily to clean our body. Comb your hair and brush your teeth. Second rule is about that we have to comb our hair properly and brush our teeth. Students, we have to brush our teeth twice a day. First, when we wake up at morning, and secondly before going to bed at night. Number 3. Wash your hands before and after eating food. Make sure when you eat something, you should wash your hands before and after your meals. Next point is, wash your hands after you have been to the toilet. Toilet means washroom. Always wash your hands with soap when you use washroom because they contain so many germs on it. Next point is, cut your nails and keep them clean. When your nails become bigger and look untidy, so you have to cut your nails and keep them clean. Keep your nose and ears clean. Students, you have to use handkerchief or a tissue to keep your nose clean, and after taking a bath, you should use cotton bud to keep your ears clean. If you follow these rules mentioned above, it will keep you healthy. You can see in this picture, the boy is taking a bath. Here is a boy washing his hands with soap. In this picture, you can see the man is cutting his nails. In this picture, you can see the girl is brushing her teeth. This girl is combing her hair. Common problems. Talk about these pictures with your teacher. Students, here are some pictures about common problems. Number 1, lice, nits, itching, dandruff. Itching कहते हैं खारिश को, lice and nits कहते हैं जुओं को, and dandruff means खुश्की. In first picture, The boy is itching his head, and dandruff is one of the main cause of itching. Number 2, germs eating stomach ache. Stomach ache कहते हैं पेट के दर्द को. In second picture, the girl is disturbed with stomach ache when we eat too much fast food or street food. It's not good for our health because it contains so many germs on it. Number 3, sweets. टूथ डिके कहते हैं दांतों के दर्द को. Pain. In third picture, the boy has tooth pain when we eat too much sweets कहते हैं मीठे को. It can cause our tooth decay or cavities in our teeth. Dirt and pollution are harmful for our health. Dirt and pollution means गंदगी और आलूदगी आर हार्मफुल फॉर आवर हेल्थ. हमारी सेहत के लिए बहुत नुकसानदेह होती है. दे आर कॉज्ड बाय रबिश एंड डर्ट, स्मोक एंड फ्यूम्स. देयर आर सो मेनी काइंड्स ऑफ पोल्यूशन like water pollution, noise pollution, dirt pollution. As you see, so many times that garbage burned on the roads and it causes so much smoke, and that smoke is very harmful for our health. Here is the picture of flies and mosquitoes. In first picture, flies like dirty places. Flies कहते हैं मक्खियों को. They pick up germs. They leave germs on food. Flies like dirty places. They sit on dirty places and they leave germs on everywhere where they sit. That's why when we buy something from outside like fruits, vegetables, meat, always wash this before use. Mosquitoes like to lay their eggs in dirty water. Mosquitoes कहते हैं मच्छरों को. Mosquitoes अपने अंडे गंदे पानी में देते हैं. A mosquito bite can make you very ill. A single bite of mosquito can make us ill. You have heard about that malaria disease is also caused by a mosquito. Staying healthy. To stay healthy, you have to keep yourself clean. You must also keep your surroundings clean. Surroundings कहते हैं environment को, आपके माहौल को. You must not throw rubbish on the roads. You should not litter your school ground. You can also keep healthy by eating good food, drinking boiled water, having lots of exercise, and having enough good sleep every night. Students, for staying healthy, we have to keep ourselves neat and clean. We have to keep our environment clean, just like our classrooms, our house, our school, playground. We must not throw any rubbish on our roads or in our playgrounds. We must not throw any kind of rubbish or waste anywhere. It causes germs. Eat good food, eat healthy food, drink boiled water, have lots of exercise, and having good enough sleep, and do your things on time. Did you know, क्या आप जानते हैं, flies don't have teeth. Instead they have a long tongue. Tongue कहते हैं ज़ुबान को. फ्लाइज के टीथ नहीं होते, फ्लाइज के दांत नहीं होते, और उनकी एक लंबी सी ज़ुबान होती है लाइक अ स्ट्रॉ, जैसे कि एक स्ट्रॉ हो, थ्रू विच दे सक अप फूड, जिससे वो अपना खाना सक करती हैं. कीप फ्लाइज ऑफ योर फूड. अपनी खाने को फ्लाइज से दूर रखें. स्टेइंग सेफ. Here is a wise saying, look before you leap. This tells us that we have to think carefully before doing anything. We have to look where we are going. Have a look before you leap means have a look first when you do something, when you are going to start something or do something, be careful about this. कुछ भी काम करने से पहले एक बार अच्छे से देख लें कि क्या जो आप काम स्टार्ट करने लगे हैं क्या वो काम ठीक है, क्या उससे किसी को नुकसान तो नहीं हो रहा. एक्सीडेंट्स हैपन बिकॉज ऑफ केयरलेसनेस. केयरलेसनेस कहते हैं लापरवाही को. मैनी एक्सीडेंट्स नीड नॉट हैपन एट ऑल इफ़ वी आर केयरफुल. स्टूडेंट्स, इफ़ वी आर केयरफुल ऑन द रोड्स, so we can avoid so many accidents. Be careful where you play. Don't go out alone on the road. Cross the road at zebra crossing. Pay attention to road signs. Look right, then left, and then right again before you cross. Be careful, students, where you are playing. Make sure that where you play, that place is safe for you. And when you cross the road, use road signs and cross the road at zebra crossing. When you cross the road, look right, then left, and then right again before you cross. Here is the picture. You can see a man is crossing the road at the zebra crossing. At home, you should never leave things lying around on the floor. Floor कहते हैं ज़मीन को. You may trip or slip on them. Never play with matches. You may burn yourself. Never touch bare wires or the metal part of electrical items. An electric shock can kill us. Now I'm going to explain by the help of these pictures. In this picture, you can see the things are scattered in the room, and this room is not managed well. The boy slips with his own skates. Matches are useful, but if you not use them properly, it will harm you or may burn yourself. Students, never touch bare wires and especially the metal parts of electrical item. These are useful. They are also sharp. Be careful how you use them. Students, here are the three pictures of some useful tools. They are sharp, but if you not use them properly, it will make harm you. Number 1, scissors. Scissors are very important. Knife. Knife is also a sharp tool. And number 3 is safety. These may taste sweet, but if they are not for you, they may harm you. Students, here is the picture of some medicines. They may taste sweet or different, but if they are not for you, you don't have to touch it. It will make you harm. That's all. Here are some questions related to this lesson. Number 1. Write 5 ways to keep ourselves healthy. कोई से 5 तरीके बताने हैं कि जिसे फॉलो करके हम अपने आप को हेल्दी रख सकते हैं. आंसर. नंबर 1, बाथ डेली, रोज़ नहाएं. कट द नेल्स, जब आपके नेल्स बड़े हो जाएं तो उन्हें प्रॉपरली कट करें. नंबर 3, ईट हेल्दी फूड, हेल्दी खाना खाएं. नंबर 4, ब्रश द टीथ ट्वाइस अ डे. ट्वाइस अ डे कहते हैं दिन में 2 बार. दिन में 2 बार अपने दांतों को साफ़ करें. नंबर 5, वॉश द हैंड्स बिफोर एंड आफ्टर मील्स. खाना खाने से पहले और खाना खाने के बाद हैंड वॉश करें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, विच थिंग्स आर हार्मफुल फॉर आवर हेल्थ? कौन सी चीज़ें हमारे सेहत के लिए हार्मफुल होती हैं, नुकसानदेह होती हैं? डर्ट एंड पोल्यूशन आर हार्मफुल फॉर आवर हेल्थ। डर्ट और पोल्यूशन हमारी सेहत के लिए नुकसानदेह होती है। लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ वाई इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टू कीप आवर सेल्व्स क्लीन? हमें अपने आप को साफ़ सुथरा रखना क्यों ज़रूरी होता है? इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टू कीप आवर सेल्व्स क्लीन टू लिव अ हेल्दी लाइफ। अगर हम अपने आप को साफ़ सुथरा रखेंगे तो हम एक हेल्दी लाइफ गुजार सकते हैं। दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे।